Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. Today in this video we are going to add asset to our Flutter project. It's not matter creating a new Flutter project or containing a new Flutter project where you want to add videos, assets like fonts, images or anything. For doing that we have to create a folder in the root directory of our project. Okay, so we first create a folder called assets. This assets folder is a kind of parent folder which contains other folders. It's better for structure. We could put all files in together, images, fonts, videos in any area. Then you will find your project fulfilling with lots of files without any kind of a structure, and they are so messed and not ordered. So we create a folder assets, and then we want to add an image to our project. Then we create folder images. This is for structuring. You could create only an image in a root directory or not. Then we are going to add our images to our project. So we drop them in a folder. So I drop them in a folder, and another step, so simple, is going to the pubspec.yaml file and scrolling down a little bit, and you could find comments here. The first comment should get out of the comment format using Ctrl and / in Windows, and macOS is the alternative of the control. I have forgotten. And now here the comment we want to edit it. So what we are going to do, we are going to say assets / and images, and this we just specify the folder and the subfolder of that, and with remaining a / at the end of the comment, we say to Flutter everything that contains in this folder could be addressable and usable for us. We do not have to say one by one image here. And if you want to another line, you could just Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Because the YAML file is so sensitive with spaces, I recommend you just edit your comments are existing here and apply something that you want. After saying to Flutter, this is our asset folder with images, we are going to do a Flutter pop get. It's not we are going to do a Flutter pop get, and after that we could use it very good. Say Flutter pop get. Flutter pop get, and we do the basic Flutter pop get command, and then we could show our images very clearly to our user interface using image.assets. Now I would build my Flutter project and you would see what would happen now. Okay, so after addressing our pubspec.yaml file, I came over to the main.dart and used an image.asset, and I've give it the asset address here, and I said that my picture is in the images in the asset folder, and it's called step1.png. and after running that, we have this beautiful screen with containing this issue, but I haven't resolved it, just is for educational purposes. So very simply, we came over to our root directory, created a folder called assets, then we create a subdirectory for better structuring, which contains own data, for example image for images, font for fonts, and then we say in pubspec.yaml file we have this directory for our assets, please know it, and we uncomment this area and add our addresses. That was so simple, and I hope that I have helped you to understand. And if I've added any value to your life, please consider subscribing and liking my videos and giving your kind feedback and comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.